Checkmate dev team created a software capable to help each and every iPhone, iPad or Mac owner who forgot their Apple ID or password and encountered the activation lock screen issue. Checkmate tools are ready to bypass activation lock screen just in one click. Here you'll find a step-by-step guide describing how to use Checkmate software toolkit. Please note, Checkmate tools have two inbuilt solutions capable to unlock or bypass iCloud lock devices. The first software was designed to bypass iCloud activation lock screen. Please read the service description carefully. The second software was created to completely unlock disabled iPhone or iPad which stuck on the passcode screen. For your information, checkme8 jailbreak is already built into Checkmate software. Run Checkmate software and allow it to check compatibility of your device. Once the compatibility is confirmed, you'll be moved to the payment page. Click on the order button to open the order service page. Once your payment is cleared, your device's email or serial number will be automatically added to the service database and now you can start using the software immediately. The detailed guide describing how to work with Checkmate software will be provided to you. Your license purchase information and your personal account details will be emailed to the address you indicated in the order form.